If you hate just choosing one art form to pursue, consider art dolls. You can learn traditional and digital sculpting, 3D printing, patching and sanding, painting and sealing, silicone mold making, resin casting, wire sculpting, armature building, foil wrapping, eye makeup, creature design, sewing with machine, feather application, fur application, hand sewing, taxidermy techniques, pet grooming, fur quilting, and hair dyeing. And if that's not enough for you, consider stop-motion animation, videography, and photography.